Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will learn how to compute variables in SPSS. I know you want to learn how to use mathematical operators in SPSS. So okay, let's see. And first, you do subscribe my channel. You want to learn. You want to see more videos on SPSS. Okay, now I'm going to share you my SPSS. Okay, now I have already filled data, and I mentioned name, the names X, Y, and Z. Okay, so if you wanna do like you wanna entering data, so I have made a video already before. You can watch them. Just okay, for the sake of knowing, just first you need to go a variable view and you define variables and then put up data. Okay, so now if you wanna do like a addition of these variables X, Y, and Z, so you see and new column you here is variable, so click on it, any number, any cell on this column, and then first you need to go to menu bar and see here transform. You click transform button, and then you see a lot of options here. You go first option, right? At first option you see compute value, so you click on it, and then you see this screen, and then what do? You see first you have to put up target variable. If you want, you don't want to enter it, so our variable name is var, so we want new value. So we are gonna do like addition here, so I write name short name. Actually you always do nickname your short name, so it's a good way. As you wanna show your customer your if you are doing consultancy, so for other user, so you should enter a label. So add is addition. It makes sense. I know we know add is addition, but somehow you wanna uh, you know choose other names, but suppose I want to choose a new name and you are not familiar, so it's better I had to write label. Okay, label. So now I have label. So what will do this variable? Actually in this column we add three variables X, Y, and Z. See here in bottom and left side bottom X, Y, Z, these are variables, and we enter in this cell numeric expression. So you use this button, arrow button, and then you see now X in this cell right there. So we do X plus Y plus Z. So we use operator plus. You can click plus button, and you can use keyboard, button. So plus here, okay. So Y, just click here and plus Z. Okay, so the two things, you have two options. You wanna, add this variable in this cell, in big cell, So you can do like instead of click on this button, you double click on that variable. So now you see here X plus Y plus Z. It's mean add is equal to X plus Y plus Z. Then we click on OK button. See here is computing and execute. This means all is done. So we click on cross button and then see here, 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. So similarly here. So this is the first, we use first operator. We know for mathematical operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we do all things. So now we're gonna do for subtraction. So what we do, and then you click on any cell and then transform, compute variables, and then you add new target values. So now we are doing now subtraction. So short form for subtraction is I'm using SUB, subtract. So you should mention SUB. What is SUB? So SUB is a subtract. So subtract. Okay, now I label. Now Subtracting means x minus y minus z. Like here you do. So see, now you press OK button and then wait for execute it. You know, this ladder. So now it's executed right here. It's mentioned. So now across, I click on cross button and then see your subtraction. 1 minus 4 minus 3 means minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. So now similarly we can do it like multiplication. So now click on any cell on this column and then transform compute variables and for multiplication is I am using MULT multiplication, the short form for multiplication. So now I'm labeling for multiplication. Okay, make a habit here. You must write a label, must make a habit. So x into y. So you can do it like for two variables. So we don't need a third variable. So x into y. So for example, x into y, just then you see, click on OK button, and then you see answer and wait for this execution sign. Now execute it here. So it's mentioned here. So now you see word variable labels. We done it. Execute. We done it. So now I click on cross button and then see here multiplication. 4 times 1 is 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. Like so now we're doing like this is our mathematical operator. So now the last operator is a division. So okay, again you say first step is transform. Click on transform. Second is compute variable and click third step and see uh, you know screen compute variable screen. So now division is select. We make a short name for division div and make it label. Here is a division. Div is division and okay division. Okay, now x divided y, yeah, x divided z. Okay, x divided z. So slash, and I can write, myself that, through keyboard button so that you don't need like a push this that to in the cell. So now last thing is click on OK button, wait for execution, and then see answer. I don't want to save actually. 1 times, 103 is 0.33, 205 is zero point 0.4. So we have done we have used four operators. So by the way, you wanna take a mean, you wanna take average values. So how can you do? Again, same thing. You wanna make a formula, go and blank cell, and so see this column. VAR make his name VAR2 like average. So what do you do? AVG. I make a short name for average AVG, and then try to level for AVG is average. Okay, so we know average for X and Y and Z. So X plus Y, double click on Y plus Z. So you write in bracket in this value. If you want to write in a bracket x plus y plus z divided by 3 is mean x plus y plus actually z by 3 actually. So we wanna first sum divide by 3 actually. That's why we are writing these variables in parentheses. Okay, so now okay, click on OK button. Same thing, average 1 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 3. So as you see here, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so now you want to make a formula, quadratic formula. So how can you do it? So again, make go transform menu, click on compute variables. You can make own formula you want as you want. So now I'm taking I want actually now quadratic equations, right? So quadratic, for quadratic Q, I write QAD, quadratic. Okay. So level QAD is QAD is a quadratic. This is a quadratic equation. So quadratic, you know, for quadratic we know ax square plus bx plus c, right? So now ax square, I defining a variable, b variable, c variable. Okay, coefficient actually. These are coefficients. 2x square. So we use power. So x, in Python, we use power. In Python, I want to take a square. So this double static is square. 2x double star 2 means 2x square plus suppose 5x. Actually, we won't take x here. We use some x, y, z. Suppose this x, x 2x square and 2 times, you should mention 2 times means 2 static x. If you don't write a static button between number and variable, so SPSS won't considers 2x as like 2 multiply x is 2 divided x. So if you write 2 static x means 2 multiply x, and x is x square plus 5 times x. X here is this variable x, and plus um, 7. Okay, plus 7. You can use my 7 is even okay. My 7. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so see here. Actually, this is a quadratic function. So see and execute, wait for execution. Now it's done. So you see here, see 0 is ax square plus 5x. Okay, you put up x, x value, and then see this. These are answers. Okay, you should choose another, new coding function. It's up to you. But now I, teach. I teach here actually how to compute values and how to make a formula. In next video, we will study how to make a formula. In this thoroughly. So for now, I'm gonna, end this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.